Hi, welcome back to Built by Maze. Today we're going to winterize my Ryobi 2000 PSI electric pressure washer. If you live in a cold climate where temperatures drop below freezing, this is something you definitely want to do before storing it for the winter. Otherwise, leftover water inside can freeze, expand, and damage the pump, and that can get really expensive fast. Now this process only takes a few minutes and will help your pressure washer last for years. Now let's get started. Make sure the washer is unplugged. Then disconnect both your garden hose and the pressure hose from the unit. Pull the trigger on your spray gun to release any leftover pressure and let all the water drain out. Now I'm going to use my air gun, and you can use an air compressor as well to blow out any leftover water from the pump and lines. And this works better than running the pump dry. Very important, don't go over 40-50 psi. That's plenty to clear out the pump without causing damage. Attach the tube to the inlet where the garden hose normally connects. Then press and spray until you see antifreeze coming out of the outlet. That means it's circulating through the pump and will protect against freezing and corrosion. Now that's it. My Ryobi electric pressure washer is now winterized and ready for storage for the winter. Now this quick 5-minute step can save you from replacing a cracked pump or replacing the whole unit itself, and you'll be ready for the next spring. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next project.